Hello guys, so we have full moon tonight and I'm going to capture it with my cameras and this telescope. So this is Celestron 50AZ. The tripod is not great. Right now I'm going to change the tripod because it can only move this way, and it's fine for now because moon is in the lower angle, but if the moon moves in the mid of sky, then tripod will not be able to locate it, because here you can see we have a blockage here. It cannot go fully upward, so I'm going to do some DIY stuff, and I'm going to mount this telescope on another tripod. So this is my another tripod where I'll be mounting my telescope. I have this here, so let's do it. We have a screw here, as you can see, so I'll have to remove it. So we have got this, and I'll be using it. I'll be mounting it on this plate here. This is a quick release plate, so it's fitting here. So this is the quick release plate, and this is the mount of the telescope. So I'm going to put it here, and on the other end I'm going to put this. So with this I'll have a better tripod for my telescope. It's going to be much more useful. So it's successfully mounted. Last step will be just add it here and I've locked the quick release plate. I have to do one thing, I have to keep it straight. So now I have a better tripod which can move up and down. Okay, let's mount my telescope here. Okay, and so my telescope is mounted. Now I have to add the screw. So it's ready and looks better, and a couple of benefits. I can move it up and down and even sideways. So it's kind of a equatorial mount in some ways, and this tripod is also heavy, but this one was just lightweight. Okay, so I'm ready to capture tonight's full moon. Yeah, share this video if you like it, if you like my setup. So now the question is what to do with this mount. So I have an idea here. I have the DJI camera with me, and here it has a hole for screw, and we have a hole here, and I have a screw with me. So I'm going to mount my DJI camera here and put the screw on the other end. So yeah, let's do it. So this one is also ready. My camera is mounted on this tripod. Yeah, great setup. So this was a great exchange between this telescope and this one. Looks good to me. So it's time to test the new tripod, and we also have a couple of cameras here. This is Sony A6100 DJI, which is for recording the background. Another Sony camera just for fun, and I also have iPhone in my hand, so I'll be mounting my iPhone here. And just to let you know, so I'm happy about this tripod because it can move in different directions, and as I have a couple of nodes here, so now I can show you. So it can move pretty much better. I can cover everything in the sky, even in the higher degrees. So as you can see, it is going far than 90 degree, and yeah, I'm much happy about this tripod.